Hi friends! Today we are going to learn colors.
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, brown, gray, black, white, black, black, black.
Bye friends! We'll meet again tomorrow morning.
Hi, friends! I'm back with a fun surprise for you. Are you ready?
I am a red hen. I am a yellow hen.
I am a blue hen.
I am green hen. I am a orange hen. I am a purple hen.
I am a pink hen.
I am a gray hen.
I am a black hen.
I am a brown hen. I am a white hen.